Got some blue going on and big false lashes. If you want to see how I get this look using this foundation and some other products I'm going to show you guys, keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? It's Natasha here, and in today's video I'm actually going to be reviewing some products, as you could tell by the title of this video. So there's one product that I'm going to be reviewing, and that's kind of like the highlight of this video, which is Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. And then I have some other stuff that I got from Sephora and Shoppers that I will be showing you guys and kind of testing out with the makeup look. We're excited to try these things out. I just got most of them yesterday, so I haven't even tried it. But yeah, I buy these things because I do wedding makeup and special event makeup, so I thought if I'm buying it and spending the money, I might as well make a review and show you guys what it's like and if I like it. I went to the store, I got the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and they kind of tested this one on my forehead, so I got the sponge and like tested it, and this one matched like perfectly. This shade is 2N1 Desert Beige. It also came with a free pump, so usually it just has a normal lid, but this one came with a free pump from Hudson Bay. I don't know if they do this at Sephora or Shoppers or Ulta, wherever you guys go. So this foundation is really recommended around the makeup community, so I thought I would get it for my clients. So I just started out with one for now, just to see like if I actually like using it on my clients. So this Double Wear makeup is the fresh matte foundation that looks flawless whatever comes your way, with 24-hour wear, oil-free, controls oil all day, sweat, heat, humidity resistant, life-proof, waterproof foundation, 24-hour color true. So crazy. Like I could have used this in the summer. It's still the summer, but I could have used this sometimes when I was out and sweating and while wearing makeup. Like, so annoying. I don't usually wear foundation though. I usually, like if I ever do wear foundation, it is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, just because it's very dewy and a water base, so it's not like full coverage, because I don't really like full coverage. Like I don't need it, and I don't feel like my skin will be happy with me if I wear like a whole full coverage and foundation. So I normally stick to like putting a little bit of foundation here or like some concealer, and that's pretty much it. Is this really recommended Embryolisse, I don't know how to say this, but it is a really hydrating cream that you put on before your makeup. It's a good primer as well for all skin types. Moisturizer, makeup primer, and moisturizing mask. So you could like thicken this up and like wear it as a mask, or you can just put it on before your makeup, like a little light layer. Yeah, this thing's crazy. You can also use it as a cleanser, a mask, face moisturizer day and night, or a primer before your makeup. Like that's crazy, and it was on sale. So yeah, my one makeup teacher who has like 70,000 followers, which was so cool to have her as a makeup teacher, she recommended this, so obviously I'm gonna go get it, and it was on sale, so whoop. And I got two other things here. So this is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. This one was highly recommended on TikTok for doing makeup. So you just put this on before your moisturizer and serum and SPF. I love this. I've been using it lately. I just pour some in my hand, just a little bit. It's like a liquid, and just rub it around. I don't like putting it in a cotton pad because you're wasting some product when you do that. And then I also have this Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer Lotion, so my skin's pretty dry. So I got this to help with my dryness, and they said this one's like really good. So yeah, I like this. I put it on yesterday. I already put this on already, and I just showed you guys how to do it. Just, you know, it's really hydrating. Feels so nice on the skin. I'm not gonna add this on today because I'm putting on this really moisturizing primer, but I'm telling you guys, if your skin's like really dry, I really recommend this. Okay, then for under my eyes, I use this Ole Hendrix vitamin C, I think. Vitamin C under eye cream. Really nice. Banana Bright eye cream, vitamin C and collagen boosted. From Ole Henriksen, I think that's how you say it. So I just put a little bit on my ring finger. And this is also a really good primer for concealer, they said. So you don't really need to put much primer around your eyes, because this is a good primer and helps with under eye bags and all that, because mine are pretty bad lately. Okay, that's cool. So you gotta go, when you open it, you have to like do that and stick this in there. Oop. Okay, so let's see how this applies. It's like sunscreen. Oh my goodness. I wish I had like some SPF in it. I should have wore a headband. Oh my goodness, this is so much. I put way too much on. Oh, I don't really like the smell of it. It smells like some type of like perfume that like is kind of old, you know what I mean? Yeah, so really work it in. You're gonna not want to put on too much like I did. Okay, so that is that. It's very thick on my fingers, so I'm gonna go wash my hands again. But yeah, wow, I feel really quenched, hydrated, really lots of moisturizer going on here. I like it. It feels really good, so that's good. It just feels very tacky on my fingers, but my face feels good. So then we're gonna put on some foundation. Okay, up close and personal. Let's get this started. So let me show you this before I start. This is the foundation. It's really super bright right now, so sorry about that if this brightness is way too bright. Super nice. Told you guys the shade, told you guys the benefits. Let's hope it actually works. So let's pump this out. Okay, I did 2 pumps for now. And I'm gonna get this one brush from, it's C466 from a Crown. Wow. Oh, okay. Look at that. Okay, I just wanted to try that brush out, but now we're gonna move into this brush. Don't really remember, I think it was from like Shoppers or Walmart, but you guys probably remember this. This was like a big thing. It doesn't really have anything on it though that tells me like the brand. Let's put some more on my hand here. Brush from e.l.f. It's kind of like this. Blending that in more. This light is really making my face look really white, so. Why do I look like a ghost in the camera? Maybe because I am. Okay, see how crazy, how drastic that looks? Like, why did I look that white with that light on? This is definitely... It's weird because I matched this color with my forehead, and my forehead's darker than my actual, like, than the rest of my face. So I don't know why it's now looking like really white. This is a lot of coverage. Like, what? Okay, I need concealer on. I look crazy. It applies really well. It just might be a little bit light for me, but we'll see what we can do. So this is the NARS concealer, Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. I always get vanilla for me, even though I go lighter with my concealers. I'm used to that. I'm not used to my foundation being light like this. Yeah, so it looks like I just need to get a darker color for myself. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. Like, I actually like the coverage on there. I think my shoulders are just really tan and my face isn't that tan, so it just looks really different because I wear a lot of SPF on my face. But yeah, you could still kind of see the mark of it right there. So that's what it is with just like one coat. So if you wanted to go over again, you can. But yeah, it looks really good. The primer looks like it did pretty well. You can still kind of see a little bit dewiness underneath. I'm just putting a little bit more on where that brush, with that brush here. Just around there to see if we can cover this pimple better. Dab it in with my finger and yeah, that's better. Now we're gonna go in and set this with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. But the middle one is my favorite. Let's throw on some contour with the same palette, just so we can darken my face up a bit. Put some shadowing in there. In between here. Now we're going in with some of my favorite blush from Burt's Bees. I don't know the shade because it doesn't even say. But this one's really nice. Anything else on your face, like your bronzer, your concealer, your blush, your highlight, everything ends up looking so good. So trust the process. This is the final look with lashes, lipstick, highlighter, and everything. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like the foundation? Do you think it matches? I think it matches pretty well, but at first it looks a little weird, but then it slowly gets to the color of my skin when you add like bronzer and stuff. So I think it looks pretty good. It's also gonna be like a perfect winter shade for me and a lot of my, and if I need to mix some other colors into it, other shades, I can do that to make it darker for other people. And I'm definitely gonna get more shades for everyone. But yeah, I like this eye look. Got some blue going on and big false lashes. Looks pretty good. A little sweaty, just from literally stepping out in the sun for a second. That's why I don't like wearing foundation outside, because I get like sweaty, but I guess this one's gonna help with that. Yeah, and it's gonna be perfect for winter too. Love it. Okay, bye guys.